Many of my students and clients ask me, can I do influencer marketing? And they really want me to say,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
yeah, just hire influencers and you'll get a lot of traffic and you'll make a lot of sales and you'll be happily ever after. But it doesn't really work that way. Usually what happens is they hire influencers, the influencers do some promotions, it usually is not worth what you paid them. My clients aren't happy. So how do you make them happy? So this course is all about that. In this course, we're going to do it professionally. What does that mean? We're going to first of all track everything. I'm going to show you how to track your actions and track the links and traffic that your influencers are promoting. And I'm going to show you how to vet influencers and how to tell which ones are fake influencers and which ones are real influencers who actually can drive you sales, how to find a lot of them, how to pitch them, how to get them to work with you, and then how to find, okay, some are ultimately good, inevitably some aren't going to work out. But what you've got to do is over time build a database of influencers that you can go back to again and again and again, and every time you launch anything, every time something happens, every time you have a new feature, new update, you go boom, you tap them again for traffic that buys. Not only that, but we're going to go over retargeting ads so that some of their traffic buys, but the traffic that doesn't buy, we're going to run retargeting ads so that their traffic can come back, because we don't want to waste that traffic. This is warm traffic already who know about you, and they're more likely to buy than cold traffic. So retargeting ads are usually like one of the first priorities in ads because they're warmer leads as opposed to cold traffic. They usually don't buy. So that's the course. We're going to take a professional, measured approach. And if you're interested in influencer marketing, in this course, I'm going to show you how to do it right. So sign up for the course and let's get started.